Hello. So Tally just came out with this really cool feature in Tally Forms that allows you to customize your forms to fit your branding, and it looks incredible. So I just want to show you a branding questionnaire that I've built for Magier to send to our clients that need new branding. We're sending them a type form, but this is a much nicer experience and it looks on brand, looks like us, especially now after a rebranding. I think super important to have all of the assets looking on brand, every communication, every touch point that we send to our customers. So this is the branding questionnaire, and you can see it looks like this. I've customized everything to suit our branding. So the fonts are our own. This is Alliance, Inter. And here you can see also everything looks super neat. People can just choose options that they like and submit. Even the form is, in our color, in our, padding style, everything is customized. And I want to show you briefly a behind the scenes of what it looks like. So this is the form I created. I can edit it here. It looks like this. Here are the fields I added. You can always, adjust fields or add new fields by clicking plus. Short answer, insert, what is your name? But as you can see here, this is already a bit customized in terms of what the form looks like. So there is this customize tab now that is new, and it looks kind of like Figma and a code editor put together. It's really, really cool, and it gives you, even more customization options. This way you can change the background color, you can change the text, you can change your button background, without knowing any CSS. It gives you this visual editor, which is really, really cool. The accent, color, logo, you upload your cover, the height of the cover you can adjust, the width of inputs, I put it to 650, same as the page width. You can see the buttons, you can adjust them. I've made mine in this style by changing the background, changing the font size, the height and the corner radius according to our branding guidelines. And then this custom CSS is a feature that of course you don't have to use, because this already gives you plenty of customization options. But if you want to take it a step further, and I did, I have added a few more additional tweaks. So there was this box shadow that I removed that was around the form. You can see it here. I added box shadow none. And also I wanted to make the active state different. So you see this gray, and then if I type in the text, it's black. If I leave, it's grayed out. I really wanted to have this feature, so I implemented it with custom CSS. And for that, ChatGPT was my best friend. I just wrote a code with ChatGPT and it works. But yeah, you can see here active focus state. I added what needs to be changed in the active state, changing the stroke, changing the text color. And also what I did add is our primary font, which is Alliance. You can see here in the preview, you cannot see it while you're editing, but if you publish the form, you see this is our Alliance font, our primary font, which we needed to connect to the form. But this looks, like a form that we have built. It looks like us. This is a much nicer experience than sending a type form or a random Google Doc. It's on brand, it's professional. So I really think our clients will appreciate that. If you want to create your own form, you can click on new form. It's quite easy, and then you write something like branding questionnaire or contact form or anything like that. You can use a template, and this form that I have shown you, that I have built, you can also use it and adjust it to your styling, branding, and use that as a basis. Or you can use another template. There is a huge library of templates available. Or you can just press enter to start, and the slash command, like in Notion, to create new blocks. So what I would do is, for example, select multiple choice and then be like, okay, how many elements do you need? and then option 1, 5, 3, 1, whatever. And then here you can also select if you want to color code some options, if you want to add images to each option, which I have done, as you can see here. Those are images in multi-select. And if you want to allow multiple selection, you can also check here. Minimum choices, it's all quite intuitive. If you want to use numbers or letters, you can create a new block, something like email, insert, what's your email? And then you can move it up there. You can just move things around as you wish, and then toggle the customize section to change the theme to dark, for example, change the font to some fonts that are already available, or connect your own. The world is your oyster, or how do you say it? It's crazy. So yeah, if you want to use this template, the format we've built, then you can do that and choose it from the template library, or you can build your own from scratch. Thank you so much to Tally for building such an amazing feature and such an amazing form builder. And yeah, I hope you like this video. Bye!